Welcome to TC Travel Guide channel. Embarking on your first big international trip is incredibly exciting, but it can also feel a little overwhelming. The world is vast, and choosing the perfect destination to kickstart your travel adventures can be a daunting task. You might be wondering where to go, how to stay safe, or how to make your budget stretch further. That's exactly what we're here to help you with today. We're diving into some of the best beginner-friendly countries for first-time travelers, designed to inspire and guide you. These destinations offer an ideal blend of ease, safety, and unforgettable experiences, perfect for dipping your toes into global exploration. Our selections are based on several key criteria to ensure a smooth and enjoyable journey. We look for countries that are easy to navigate, boast high safety standards, and offer incredible experiences without too much hassle. Good infrastructure, friendly locals, and readily available resources were also top priorities in our choices. We'll be covering 5 fantastic countries that consistently rank high for first-time travelers. Get ready to explore the wonders of the breathtaking landscapes of Iceland, the charming streets of Portugal, the vibrant nature of Costa Rica, and the stunning beauty of New Zealand. Each offers a unique adventure, tailored for those new to international travel. First, we journey to Iceland, a country that offers unparalleled natural beauty with remarkable ease. It consistently ranks as one of the safest and cleanest countries in the world, providing immense peace of mind for first-time international travelers. You can explore its wonders feeling secure and comfortable. Iceland's infrastructure is top-notch, with well-maintained roads that make self-driving an enjoyable option. English is also widely spoken, especially in tourist areas, so communication is rarely an issue. This combination makes navigating the country straightforward and stress-free. The natural beauty of Iceland is simply breathtaking and incredibly accessible. Iconic sites like the Golden Circle with its geysers, waterfalls, and national park are easily reached from Reykjavik. You don't need to venture far to witness some of the planet's most dramatic landscapes. For those who prefer a more structured approach, organized tours in Iceland simplify travel immensely. These tours handle transportation, guiding, and often meals, allowing you to relax and soak in the scenery. They are perfect for ensuring you see all the highlights without any planning stress. A crucial tip for visiting Iceland is to pack for all types of weather, regardless of the season. The weather can change rapidly, often within the same day, so layers are your best friend. Be prepared for sun, wind, rain, and even snow, ensuring you stay comfortable throughout your adventures. Another important tip, especially if you're traveling during peak season, is to book accommodations and tours well in advance. Iceland is a popular destination, and spots fill up quickly. Planning ahead guarantees you secure your preferred options and avoids last-minute disappointments. Our third destination is Portugal, a captivating country that beautifully blends rich history, vibrant culture, and undeniable charm. It offers an incredibly welcoming atmosphere and is surprisingly affordable, making it an excellent choice for budget-conscious first-time travelers. You'll find great value for your money here. Portugal is known for its high safety standards and incredibly welcoming locals. You'll feel comfortable exploring its cities and countryside, and the Portuguese people are generally friendly and eager to assist visitors. This creates a relaxed and enjoyable travel environment. The country boasts an excellent public transportation system, especially within its major cities like Lisbon and Porto. Trams, metros, and buses are efficient and affordable, making it easy to navigate and explore without needing a car. This convenience adds to the beginner-friendly appeal. Portuguese culture is a delight to immerse yourself in, from its delicious food and world-renowned wines to its rich history and stunning architecture. You can spend days wandering through ancient castles, admiring intricate tile work, and savoring fresh seafood. Every corner tells a story. When in Portugal, a must-try tip is to indulge in the famous pastel de nata, a delicious custard tart. These sweet treats are a national treasure and can be found in bakeries everywhere. Pair it with a strong Portuguese coffee for the perfect local experience. To make the most of your trip and avoid the busiest crowds, consider visiting Portugal during the shoulder seasons. Spring from April to May and fall from September to October offer pleasant weather and fewer tourists. you'll enjoy a more relaxed experience and often better prices. Next, we head to Costa Rica, a true eco-adventure and nature paradise. This Central American gem is perfect for first-time travelers who dream of lush rainforests, incredible wildlife, and thrilling outdoor activities. It's an immersive experience into the heart of nature. Costa Rica is celebrated for its safety and political stability, making it a secure destination for international visitors. This peace of mind allows you to fully focus on enjoying its natural wonders and vibrant culture. It's a reliable choice for a first big trip. The country has developed excellent tourism infrastructure, catering well to international travelers. From well-organized tours to comfortable accommodations and clear signage, navigating Costa Rica as a tourist is straightforward. This makes planning and executing your adventures much easier. Prepare to be amazed by Costa Rica's abundant wildlife and stunning natural beauty. You can spot monkeys, sloths, toucans, and countless other species in their natural habitats. The landscapes range from volcanic peaks and cloud forests to pristine beaches, offering endless exploration. The Pura Vida lifestyle is at the heart of Costa Rican culture, meaning pure life or simple life. This welcoming and laid-back attitude is infectious, and you'll find locals incredibly friendly and happy to share their beautiful country with you. It's a truly uplifting experience. A practical tip for your Costa Rican adventure is to pack plenty of insect repellent. With its lush rainforests and tropical climate, mosquitoes and other bugs are common. Being prepared ensures you can enjoy the outdoors comfortably without constant annoyance. Another important tip, especially if you're traveling during the rainy season, is to be prepared for rain. While it often comes in short, intense bursts, a good rain jacket and waterproof gear are essential. Don't let a little rain deter you. It often brings out the vibrant colors of the rainforest. Finally, let's talk about New Zealand, often called the land of the long white cloud. This island nation is an absolute dream for first-time travelers seeking breathtaking landscapes and outdoor adventures. It's incredibly safe, easy to navigate, and offers an unforgettable journey. New Zealand consistently ranks among the safest countries in the world, providing immense reassurance for new international travelers. Its low crime rate and friendly atmosphere mean you can explore with confidence. This sense of security is invaluable for a first big trip. The country boasts excellent infrastructure, including well-maintained roads and clear signage, making self-driving a popular and rewarding way to explore. English is the primary language, so communication is effortless, further simplifying your travel experience. You'll find it easy to get around. New Zealand's natural beauty is legendary and incredibly diverse, from majestic fjords and snow-capped mountains to pristine beaches and geothermal wonders. Every turn offers a postcard-perfect view, and the landscapes are truly unlike anywhere else on Earth. It's a visual feast. For those who love the outdoors, New Zealand is an adventure playground. You can enjoy hiking, kayaking, bungee jumping, whitewater rafting, and so much more. The country is set up for outdoor activities, with numerous well-marked trails and adventure operators. A key tip for exploring New Zealand is to embrace the Great Walks or other hiking trails. These world-class tracks offer incredible scenery and are well-maintained, making them accessible for various fitness levels. It's the best way to truly immerse yourself in the stunning landscapes. Another important tip is to book your camper van or car rental well in advance, especially during peak season. New Zealand is a popular destination for road trips, and vehicles can be at high demand. Securing your transport early ensures a smooth and flexible travel experience. There you have it, incredible countries that are perfect for your first big international adventure. Whether you're drawn to the vibrant culture of the dramatic landscapes of Iceland, the historic charm of Portugal, the wild nature of Costa Rica, or the epic beauty of New Zealand, each offers a unique and welcoming experience for beginner travelers. Remember, the world is waiting for you, and taking that first step is the hardest part. These destinations provide the perfect blend of safety, ease, and unforgettable moments to build your confidence as a global explorer. Start planning, dream big, and get ready to create memories that will last a lifetime. Happy travels, and we can't wait to hear about your adventures.